Welcome to this tutorial series, video number 1. I am Keke. So in this video I'm going to introduce the course. We shall be going through PHP programming, and I'll be covering quite a lot of things in PHP. So I'm going to introduce what I'll be covering. So installing the server. Actually, this I will not take you through installation. We have different kind of servers. We have WAMP, Bitnami, XAMPP, but it's up to you to choose the type of server that you want to use. So I'm using WAMP server that's running on Windows platform. You can also download Bitnami, XAMPP. XAMPP can run on any platform, Mac, any. So what we shall cover on this tutorial series, these are the things that we are going to cover. On my next tutorial we shall cover the PHP syntax, the statement, how to declare variable, and later we shall come to check on this syntax and the syntax of functions and classes. We'll cover about variables, what are variables, they are used in PHP, and then we shall cover on types, all these types. I'm going to mostly cover this and this: booleans, integer, floating point number, strings and arrays, and objects. So I'll just touch on resources and now just a little bit. Then in another series we shall talk about constants, what are constants, operators, control structures, if else. These are conditions, and this condition are really important in programming, in any type of programming, used in any type of language. Control structure, one of the building blocks of decision making. Yeah. So we shall also go on. We shall also cover functions. What are functions? Okay, functions is something that describes how to perform a task. It shows how a task is to be performed. So we'll also cover classes and objects, error and error handling, and then after this series we shall delve into one of the exciting parts, where is modules. I love calling them modules. You can also call them classes. So for your project, maybe you're building a web application, I'm going to develop with you some important modules such as the login system. We shall also adopt some design patterns, some such as the MVC, and trying to build our applications. Shall develop some system, some application. An employee management system is an example of sort. Okay, all right, see you in the next tutorial. We shall be covering the PHP syntax and just briefly touch on variables.